I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and taking the first action. Fund the wallet and approve the token. Once done, connect to the pool interface, set slippage to 0. 5% 1% based on recent volatility, and enter the exact deposit amount. Make sure to keep 2 FA and private key backups ready, and limit exposure to 3% 5% of your portfolio for the trade. You do this so you protect capital while initiating a precise, auditable entry into the pool. Now you execute and actively manage the position. Split your total into staggered entries, 3 deposits over 10 to 30 minutes, to reduce front running and slippage impact. Once inside, monitor pool depth and token correlation to evaluate impermanent loss risk, and adjust liquidity if the pool rebalances unfavorably. Make sure to set alerts for price swings greater than 3% and predefine limit orders or exit bans. This keeps you ready to reduce exposure quickly if market conditions shift unexpectedly. Finish by exiting methodically. Withdraw in stages. Start with 25%, then 50%, then the remainder to minimize slippage and market impact. Once withdrawn, claim and reconcile rewards, calculate fees and retain records for tax reporting, such as Form 1099 where required. If something goes wrong, for example a stuck transaction, check the non-sea and gas limit. Replace the transaction with a higher gas price to unstick it. You do this so you recover funds predictably and have a clear audit trail for compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.